I just got off the phone with a customer and they asked me about the Vanguard password reset solution. And I was wondering if you could explain to me a little bit about what it is Vanguard password reset solution does and what value it'll have for my customer.
Okay. Let's talk about the value first, because that's really where people care, I think,
Right.
because that's money. Let's
Right.
be serious. The return on investment for password reset is where it's really a value to a customer. If you think about the tangible cost of a password reset, you call a help desk and there's a guy on the phone or a woman on the phone, whatever, hey, I need my password reset. It takes time.
Right.
Gardner says that takes between $25 and $50 per reset.
Right.
So there's a tangible cost there.
Right.
But there's also a very big non-tangible cost.
That usually people refer to that as intangible.
Intangible, okay. Thank you. But yes, the intangible cost is really more because you have people sitting around.
Right.
Okay, you've got a group of people sitting around doing nothing.
Twiddling their thumbs,
twiddling their
waiting to
thumbs,
get
waiting,
that log back
phone's
on,
busy,
right.
whatever. So I think the ROI is the real value to it, because at the end of the day, password reset provides one function. The ability for the end user to manage that process all by themselves.
So you mean self-service password reset?
Self-service password reset.
Right.
The person can actually go in and take care of themselves, take care of things all by themselves.
But doesn't that open a security vulnerability in that if you've decided that let's say I'm being terminated today and
Mhm.
you revoke or set my password so that I can't reset it or change it,
Mhm.
can't I just go in and reset it then and get back on?
No, actually, we've thought about some of those security concerns like that. That's one of them. We have a feature called a hard revoke that allows you, once I terminate you, for instance, or remove you from the system, that you can no longer use the feature. We call that a hard revoke.
So,
There's also another one that people talk about on security, and that is the ability to know that somebody's trying to reset your password over and over and over.
Right.
We also have security concerns on that. We have notification schemes in there for that. So we've thought about most of the security holes like that.
only most?
Only most. Sometimes, people come up with new ideas every day, new threats out there, so we're always on top of that.
All right. So what you're saying then is that if I was terminated today, which would be a loss to this company, everybody knows that.
No.
But if I was, I wouldn't be able to go back and
Correct.
reset my own password.
The feature we call hard revoke at Vanguard actually stops you from using many of our products. Password reset happens to be one of them that acknowledges that bit.
So the same customer that was asking about password reset is the same customer that was looking for a one password solution. Will password reset work with that one
Yes, it
password
will.
solution?
Yes, it will. And it also works with the revoke part.
Oh.
So if that revoke that we were talking about, the
Yeah.
hard revoke, both of those products are aware of that particular function. So if you terminate somebody and you change his password and you say, hey, we're gonna stop that, they can't reset their password. The help desk can't reset their password. Our other products are aware of that. Or their self-help is aware of it. The sign-on is aware of it. That particular bit is actually used in quite a few of our products.
Well, that's interesting. So what kind of interface do you have? I mean, is it,
The password reset's actually pretty variable on that. It's got a lot of different things. You can use IIS. There's different flavors, if you will, maybe. or
when you say
operating systems.
IIS, are you referring to like a web server?
Yeah, it's all web-based.
Okay.
Okay, but IIS is a flavor of the website.
Right.
Apache is a common one that's out there. There's Linux versions, there's Windows versions, there's 2 versions on the ZOS platform. So we support multiple different versions of all web interfaces, all different engines, web engines.
Excellent. I'll let them know, thanks.
There we go.